Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. The Suburban is featured in a black paint finish and is the LTZ trim. It includes features such as heated and vented front leather bucket seats, heated second row captain's chairs, and a third row bench seat, making total passengers 7. Inside the vehicle, we have our DVD entertainment system, GPS navigation, a powered sunroof. Outside of the vehicle, we can see that we have our molded assist steps, alloy wheels, as well as a power tailgate, and much more. Moving into the front of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finished door handle, power locks. Below, we have our power folding mirrors, power windows, as well as child safety and rear window lock, some storage in the rest of the door, and our driver's seat memory with 2 memory settings, Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have our display cluster lighting, exterior lighting, transfer case settings, above traction control, parking sensors, lane departure warning, as well as power adjustable pedals. Then we also have an integrated trailer brake controller, power tilt telescopic steering column, and a power driver seat. Driver seat is finished in our jet black leather and is heated and vented. Getting into the vehicle and looking above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster. In the center, we have a digital information system that we can see does as much as our trip computer, as well as our oil pressure and transmission fluid temperature. Hazard lights are on top of our steering column. Left-hand side of the steering wheel, we have our cruise settings, forward collision alert, and heated steering wheel settings. Right-hand side, we have our voice recognition, hands-free, and the controls for our driver information system. Moving to the middle, we can see our infotainment system. If we go into audio, we have AM, FM, Sirius XM, and a Bluetooth system. Also can see we have a phone connection, GPS navigation, our settings, as well as video and text. Putting the vehicle in reverse, our backup camera with our adaptive guidelines. We have our volume, radio, media, home, and back hotkeys, as well as our eject disc. We can push our screen up with our button on the left-hand side. We have a USB behind. Seek track and menu on the right. CD player was across the bottom. We have our push to start ignition. Tri-zone climate control with our rear climate as well as rear climate lock. You can also turn it off and on, and we can set it to auto. Heated and vented driver seat and passenger seat on the other side. Across the bottom, we have some power, 12-volt plug, 2 USBs, and some storage, and 2 cup holders. In our cup holder, I had our key on our key, locks and unlocks, remote start, our power tailgate, as well as our alarm system. Leather finished center console with our wireless charging pad. Some storage inside. In our bubble wrap is our DVD entertainment headphones. Also have a 12-volt plug, as well as an SD slot and 2 USBs and aux. Moving to the passenger seat, we can also see it's finished in our jet black leather. Heated, vented, powered for our passenger as well. Moving above the rear view mirror, dome lighting controls for the dome lights in the front of the vehicle on the outside. 3-setting universal garage door opener, slide tilt sunroof, power tailgate, lighting controls for the whole vehicle, a sunglass holder, and then lastly, our sunroof in the front of the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, moving to our front tire and rim, we have our chromed alloy rim with our Chevrolet bow tie center cap. Moving out, we have chrome finished mirrors, as well as our black door handles with chrome accents, and a molded chrome assist step, chrome roof racks on the top of the vehicle. All the way around at the back, we have a paint match trailer cover, our orange bow tie. Opening up into the back of the vehicle, you can see that we have our powered tailgate. In the back of the vehicle, a power folding third row seat. We have some storage underneath. On the passenger side, folding second row seats, our power folding third row seats, as well as a 12-volt plug. You can see our power fold is simple with just holding the button and holding it to bring the seat back up. Lastly, to close the vehicle, we have our manual release or our button to the right of the handle. Moving into the back of the vehicle, you can see we have a chrome finished door handle, window or a cup holder, as well as power window control, some storage throughout the door, and our speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage pocket in the back of the seat, as well as speakers. In the center, we have our 120 volt plug, tri-zone climate control that we can turn on and off, as well as our heated outboard captain seats, 12 volt plug and our DVD connections across the bottom, storage in the bottom, and our passenger seat also has our storage and our speakers. Moving to our seats in the second row, we have our dual captain chairs finished in our jet black leather. Can fold them down on either side if we choose so. Back of the vehicle, we have a 60/40 power folding bench, also finished in our jet black leather. On the driver hand side, we have a 12 volt plug, 2 cup holders and some storage, and a cup holder on the passenger side. On the roof, we have our vents, as well as our dual screen DVD entertainment system. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walk around of the 2015 Chevrolet Suburban. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.